Hi, it's Alicia from Lighterco Life. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing up my sit and chat area for my YouTube channel. This is my second video. If you haven't seen the first, I'll link it up here and it will show you my filming space and craft area. But today we are going to be doing some items for my sit and chat area backdrop. First, we've got a DIY that's going to be a little bit of storage. I'll show you that. And second, I've got another DIY. It's DIYing a sewing machine cover. So let's get on to the DIYs. So I found this old clothes basket that used to be upstairs in the boys' bathroom, but they got a new one. So I'm thinking what I might do is I might use it to store the vinyl in and make it look a little bit prettier. Thinking I might be able to store vinyl on one side and my wool that I've got a lot of over there on the other. The vinyl fits in there and the wool will be able to fit in there as well. I've got this massive roll of sisal rope from Bunnings on clearance for $3. So I'm going to weave this around. So yeah, show you how I did that. So what I've decided to do is to start with a lid because I'm not sure how it's going to work out, so I thought I'll try it with a lid. So I've just tied it on and I'm going to weave it. I've started to weave it in and out. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I've been doing this for a while now and it's becoming quite annoying and it's not getting very far and I don't like how it looks, so Going to come up with another idea. Thinking I might spray paint the bottom of the clothes basket, and that I might try plaiting some of this and going around it. So I'll get back to you when I've started plaiting. Came up with idea number 2, which was to plait the sisal and then wrap it. Plaiting it took forever, so that idea, after doing one strand that took me hours, decided against that, so that was a fail. Then I decided I know how to crochet, so I saw someone had crocheted a sisal rug, so I started to crochet myself chain, just a simple chain. You can do it with finger knitting or a crochet hook, and as you can see, extremely curly, so I didn't think that was going to work well. And then it was decided for me anyway that that wasn't going to work because I broke my crochet hook. So now I have to think of another idea, but I did come up with something, so I will show you. I have a little crochet bag, one of many little projects that I've been working on. Oh, my balls just fell out. And in it I remembered that I had some of this, some t-shirt yarn that I'd been crocheting a basket out of, and I thought that as good as the crochet looks, I thought this would be much easier. It's stretchy and soft, and it'll give nice texture to the clothes basket. So I'm just going to give this a go. Let's see how we go. Sorry if you can hear some noise in the background, I've got a load of washing on. But I thought I would start the same as we were starting with the sisal, which you would have seen already. I'm just going to tie, actually, yeah, I'll start with the inside. Just going to tie this off. Actually, I'm not going to tie it off because what I've just thought is it's on the roll. So I'm just going to start weaving it, and then when I get to the end, we'll cut it off then. That's probably where I went wrong with the sisal. So we're just going to do the under and over and the under and over. So this is going to get a little monotonous, but as I said, got YouTube on. Watch that, and I'll speed it up for you so you won't have to watch it all. I actually think this is going to look quite nice with the white peeping through. So I'm going to keep going, and I'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, so here's where we're at. I've finished this part, and I decided that what I might do, change it up a bit again, is use some of this rope for the inner circle. So then when I do the basket, the bottom of the basket, I'll do the same. So I got this from Bargain Centre, one of the bargain centres, and $2.50. So it's just 5mm rope. So we'll see how that goes. So move my bit. It's getting there. Looking good. Making a mess of my pants though. Oh look, it's a love heart. Oh, isn't that cute? So now we'll just keep going. Here's the finished basket. Really happy with how it turned out. Lid looks good. Just got to work out something to put over the top here. Didn't fit my vinyl in, but fitted my wool and all my crochet bags. So really happy. Looks very cool in the corner. Decided to pop a box on top that I made with a little tassel and rose gold detailing. Really happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. I'm really happy with how the clothes basket turned out. Now my wool has a nice, safe, secure place away from my cats that continue to drag it all around the house. And yeah, I think it looks stylish and adds a nice little touch to my office. So if you liked today's tutorial, please give me a like down below, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and scroll up and hit all to get all the notifications, and so you get notified every time I post a new video. The next video I'll be posting will be me, not us, redoing the sewing machine cover. I have a great idea for that. This video had gone a bit long, so I thought that I would pop it in the next video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.